look at the, yeah. I thought you're using the one for kids. Oh, look, get it, get that. Get that, let's see. Show Mamsi nga, you can use the chopsticks. It's not even for, ano na, yung mga baby, ano.
Nakakatuwa ang maglola na sina Vilma Santos at Isabella Rose o si Peanut. Ang anak ni na Luis Manzano at Jessie Mendiola na si Peanut ay nagpakitang gilas sa kanyang Lola Vilma kung paano gumamit ng chopsticks. Talagang aliw na aliw si Vilma sa kanyang napaka-cute na apo. Di may tatanggi na isa si Peanut sa mga bibong celebrity kids sa ating bansa.
Training.
Hindi na. Go. Get it. Properly. Just pick it like that. Good. Oh. One hand only. Go. You can. This one, the
Get the big
one.
piece. Get the big
This one. That one. Come on, get it. Okay, go.
With the fish. You get the fish.
Where's the fish?
There.
There. Oh my God, you're using your chopsticks. Okay. Yay!
When you can pick it up, you have it with your left hand.
Yeah, go.
okay.
It's okay. That's how you train it. There. Parang gusto ko. Where are you going?
Kiss Mamsi with sound. With sound.
Babay na. Kiss na lang with sound. Ay, again, yung one hour. Okay. Kiss na lang with sound. Ay, again, yung one hour. Okay.